All right, guys, here we are on another glorious Saturday, and we're tackling Bulldog here. We got the rear quarter cut out, getting things started. It's actually looking pretty good. I put in a new quarter that was completely rusted out, and then continue on sanding this thing. A lot of work. Body work is just a nightmare. At any rate, things are progressing, and we'll fire this baby up when we start welding that thing back on. We're tacking on the rear quarter on Bulldog here, and we're using my trusty Lincoln 3200 HD MIG welder, and we're gonna go in like a couple spots and kind of get your welding tack welds far apart so you don't warp the metal too bad. So when you come back into it, you have to do a whole lot more, hammer and ollie kind of stuff to straighten it out, and as little bond mill as possible to get it all squared away. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and throw a couple down for you here. Not real pretty, but we'll touch it up later. Oh, that one needs to be pounded out a little. You're that good one, about 1 second on each tack weld, so you get good penetration on it. And keep moving around. Just keep tacking them until you're all done, then you can go back in. When you weld, it's going to kind of suck the metal in a little bit, so you might have to metal work it back out. But it's a lot of work, but the end result will be pretty good. I'll keep you posted.